Whoa, what do I have in my nose? What are those tiny little stuff in my nose? Do you care to know? Are you sure you really care to know what I have in my nose? Oh, really? Okay, this is not my hair. This is actually a wig. You know how we roll. I love wigs. So guys, keep on watching. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Zima Okike here. Just in case you're new, please consider subscribing. Click the red button on your interface and also tap the notification bell so that you could be notified each time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I received from Sugar Bear. Sugar Bear is actually a US brand owned by the Kardashians. They actually produce hair vitamins, sleep vitamins, and many other bunch of stuff. So guys, please keep on watching. So guys, this is the box it came in. They actually sent me 3 months supply of their hair vitamins. This is what I have in the box. This is my address. This paper contains my address. The vitamins actually came in this box. Inside this box I have 3 months supply of their hair vitamins. They also sent me a free gift, a hair brush, a detangling brush. Inside the box I also have a hairband, but I'll definitely be using it as my handband. They also sent me a key holder. So cute, so cute. Look at the key holder, guys. Look at what it looks like. So cute. So guys, these are the 3 vitamins they sent to me, and this is what the box looks like. This is exactly what each pack looks like. Now let's look at the ingredients. It contains vitamin A, C, D, E, B6, B12, biotin. It contains 5,100,000 milligrams of biotin, which is the main vitamin for hair growth. It contains folic acid, vitamin C, and a bunch of other supplements. Each pack contains 60 gummies in total, and it is written on the pack that I'm supposed to take 2 gummies daily, and I presume it should be taken in the morning and the other at night. So guys, the bottle is sealed with a protection proof, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up so that we can see what this vitamin looks like. This is the protective proof that the container comes with. Each container comes with. So I just removed it. We are going to be seeing what each vitamin looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up, so that we can see what these vitamins look like. It also comes with, okay, after opening, you can see that it comes with a seal, another protection seal. So I will go ahead and open that up. This is what the bears look like. They look really cute and their faces are smooshed in. Now let's talk about the taste. I'm going to go ahead and taste it. I'm going to start with this one. The gummies are really tasty. Really tasty. They actually taste like Scooby snacks. You know, Scooby-Doo snacks. That's exactly what they taste like. They are actually very tasty. I so much love the taste. I think the taste will actually make you not to forget taking them. They taste so nice. Like, I'm sure you will love it. So I always look forward to taking them because the tastes are so nice. They taste amazing. The taste is so nice. I always look forward to taking them every day. They taste really nice. So guys, my tip to you, each time you're taking any vitamin, ensure you take more water than usual. If you're the type that take 6 glasses of water a day, increase it to 8 glasses. Each time you're taking vitamins, any vitamin at all, ensure you gulp a lot of water, because water helps vitamins work perfectly. Most people complain of breakouts and all forms of skin issues when they are taking vitamins. That's because they don't take a lot of water. Water actually helps in breaking these vitamins down and for them to work properly in your body. So ensure you take a lot of water anytime you are taking vitamin of any sort. It must not be hair vitamins. Any type of vitamins you're taking, ensure you take a lot of water. So I've seen a lot of people complain that biotin supplements break them out. But the truth is, if you take a lot of water, your water intake should be on the high side if you're taking any form of supplement. So take a lot of water, and that will help these vitamins work better. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment section. But I know that if from researches and all, I know that taking a lot of water while you're on any supplement, not just biotin supplement, it helps the vitamins work better. Guys, I'll go ahead and read out what I have on the pack for you guys so that you know what to look out for in case you get this vitamin. So here I have that sugar bear hair vitamins are easy to chew, vegan vitamin, designed for all hair types and genders. That is male and female. All genders can take these vitamins. Enjoy over 13 vitamins and minerals with these sweet smelling, soft, chewy sugar bear gummies. Made with fruit-based pectin. Feel good about your hair and the planet with these cruelty-free gummy vitamin bears. I actually noticed that it smells amazing, and it's soft and it's chewy. Like, it's actually very soft and tasty. I can attest to this. That's just what they wrote, and I can attest to this. Now here they wrote that you are supposed to take 2 beers a day. This is actually what they mean. These beers are really soft, very soft, and if you're not careful, you can smash them. That you are supposed to take 2 of these a day. So let me continue. It works for all hair types and is cruelty free. That means it's actually vegan supplements. Vegan is actually vegan, no beef, no gelatin, and no pork. No peanuts, no eggs, no dairy, no soy, no wheat, no gluten. So that's all I can read out for you guys. Okay, here it supports hair and nails. Okay, it is written that this vitamin supports hair and nails, so look out for that. Lab tested for quality. It is vegan, that is plant-based, no form of chemicals. That's what they mean here. For all genders, male and female can take it. Organic tapioca sweeteners. Okay, contains natural fruit flavors. Sugar bear cares. So I'm loving this vitamin so much, from reading it, from tasting it, from reading what they wrote on the pack, and from tasting it. I think I'm already in love with these vitamins, and I will always look forward to taking them every single day. Guys, I'll go ahead and take these vitamins for 2 months straight. That means I'm going to be taking 2 of these for 2 months. Then I will return and give you guys an update before I go for the last pack. Like I told you earlier, they actually sent me 3 months pack. That is for, they sent me 3 months supply of these vitamins. So I'll go ahead and take the 2 months supply, and then I will return and give you an update. Me, I got you. I know that everything works differently for everybody, but I will definitely return to give you my own updates, how it works for me. I know that people's body, everybody's have different body system, but I will go ahead and try them for 2 months, then I will return and give you an update. Please let me know if you have tried these vitamins in the comment section below. Did it work for you? Let me know. Please, I would like to know in the comment section if these vitamins works for you. Have you had it in the past? Let me know in the comment section. Is there anything I need to know about these vitamins as I'm currently starting out with it? Please let me know all of that in the comment section. Try to answer my questions in the comment section, and I'll be very glad to read your comment. Please don't just watch and go. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Is there anything I need to know about this brand? Let me know about the vitamins. Have you taken it in the past? Did it work for you? It didn't work for you? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comment. I did not intend for this video to be lengthy. If there is any other thing, I'll bring it along with the update video. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos with your friends, please. Thank you all so much. Bye.